Hello, welcome to Technology Platform. So today we are going to see like how to use calendar in Python. Like we are able to see something like the whole month is displaying, right? The same like that. I just want to print it based on the month given by us. So let me open idle. Now let's see this. So for this we are going to use it like import calendar. So this one we need to import it first. It is already inbuilt functions. Now I just used import calendar and then I used my variable my calendar equal to calendar dot wait for some time, it will give you something. So here you can choose it text calendar, and then here you can see this first day is equal to 0, the same thing you can type it. Why? Because it's like the starting week is like Monday or Sunday, that one. So let me give it 1. Let's see, instead of 0 I'm just giving 1. Let's see what it is printing. Now print my calendar dot wait for some time. Now here you can select, we need to display month, right? So format month, open bracket. Here you have to give it like year 2023 and month is like August. So here you're using like this. Now see this, you're getting the calendar. Now the week I showed you, right? This is starting on Tuesday instead of Monday or something like that. It is started by Tuesday. So the same thing. So because of that they are always giving like 0. Let's see this, let me give it 0. Now print it. Here you can see it is Monday. But here one more thing is also we have seen it like this is very just like there is no space, that thing, right? Now I want to just put it some space on it. Let's see this. Here we can say like width and then lines. Now I will say like 2 comma 2. So with, so first this distance it is using us here, and this distance, this line and this line, between the lines we are mentioning here the space. Now let's see this. Here you can see some gap. Now I want to use it 10 comma 2. Let's see this. Now I'm just expanding. Okay, let's see this. See, so because of that this two parameters are using. So you can also use it by using this. See you in the next class. Bye.